In this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the passenger front interior door handle on your Kia Sorento. Located on the passenger side door, let's get started. Moving to the passenger front side of the vehicle, we're gonna go ahead and remove the door panel. We're gonna go ahead and pry open this tab right here. There's gonna be a bolt behind that. Grab yourself a small pry tool. Pry it open, and there's gonna be a Phillips head screw. Go ahead and remove it. Using this pry tool, we're gonna go ahead and remove this trim. Simply slide it on this side and pry on it. We want to go ahead and take the connection off for the tweeter. Simply unplug it and slide it out. Now we can go ahead and pry the panel off. Simply get your hands right here and start prying slightly. You're gonna feel the clips coming off. Work your way around it from this side to the outside. Now that you have it in this position, slide it out. Moving to the back of the door panel, we're gonna go ahead and pry on this tab, and that's gonna release those. Go ahead and take those out. Now we're gonna go ahead and unplug the window switch, and for that, we're gonna just pry on the tab and pull on the connector. Now we can get the door panel away from the vehicle. Using a T20 socket, we're gonna remove these bolts to get access to our door handle. Once you get those off, simply grab on the door handle and take it out. To install the new door handle, we're gonna go ahead and slide it in place like this, and then line up the holes. Now we're ready to reinstall the bolts. Start them all by hand. Once you have them all in position, you're gonna go ahead and snug them up. And now we're ready to go back to the vehicle. Now we're ready to install the door panel. We're gonna start by plugging in the door window switch. Go ahead and line it up. Make sure you hear that click. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the door handle cable. We're gonna start by lining it up and clipping it in place. Now we wanna make sure that the door handle actually works. So you wanna go ahead and pull on it and make sure that the door locks works. So now we're ready to hook it back up into place. So we're gonna start at the top. We're gonna slide it in, just like that. Make sure that it's bottomed out at the top. And now we can go ahead and go around the edges and clip it into place. If you feel any resistance, stop it, take it out, and take a look to make sure that there's nothing in the way. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the tweeter. Make sure we plug it in first. And go ahead and line it up and clip it in. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the Phillips screw that goes here. Go ahead and snug it up. and close the cap. And before we close the door, we want to make sure that the interior door handle works. What I like to do is just grab yourself, it could be a screwdriver, simply push on the latch, lock it in place, and before we close the door, we're gonna go ahead and pull on our door handle and check for that movement, meaning it works. And that will be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.